Hey guys, today I'll show you how to reconcile 500 or more transactions in Xero without going through every transaction completely manually. If you have a large number of unreconciled transactions, these steps can help make the process much faster and more organized. First, open Xero and sign into your account. From the dashboard, go to Accounting and select Bank Accounts. Choose the bank account that contains the unreconciled transactions. You'll now see the transactions waiting to be reconciled. Before reconciling hundreds of transactions, it's a good idea to check that your bank feed is up to date and that there aren't any duplicates or missing transactions. Next, start by looking for transactions that Xero has already matched automatically. If a transaction has a suggested match and the details are correct, review it and click OK or reconcile it. For transactions that happen regularly, you can save time by creating bank rules. For example, if you regularly receive payments from the same company or make recurring payments to the same supplier, a bank rule can help Xero automatically suggest the correct account and category. To create a rule, select a suitable transaction and choose the option to create a bank rule. Set the conditions and select the account you want those transactions assigned to. Now, work through the remaining transactions in smaller groups instead of trying to reconcile all 500 at once. Start with transactions you recognize, then deal with more complicated transactions separately. If you find duplicates, incorrect matches, or transactions you don't recognize, don't reconcile them immediately. Review the details first and correct the issue before continuing. For recurring transactions, using bank rules and automatic matching can significantly reduce the amount of manual work. Once you've worked through the list, check the remaining unreconciled transactions and make sure the bank balance in Xero agrees with your actual bank statement. That's it. By using automatic matches, bank rules, and a systematic workflow, reconciling hundreds of transactions in Xero becomes much easier. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel.